The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Welcome back to Good Day Kansas. We are so glad that you are here with us today at Stutzman's Greenhouse, joined here by Ben and Molly.
And Molly.
You. And Molly. Thanks so much for having us here today.
Hey, thank you. It's a beautiful day.
It is.
And, we're at the point here coming into the fall. Hard to believe it's August is already winding up, kids back in school, etc. But we're at the point where we're kind of making that transition from our summer heat-loving plant material into the fall with the mums and everything else, and so you'll be seeing some real changes coming on. So right now, manager specials at all our stores, and right here, even with the fall colors with the lantanas, beautiful.
These are beautiful.
They are beautiful.
And so talk more about the manager specials that you have coming up.
Each store kind of has the opportunity to do kind of what they want, really, obviously, but it's something that they really enjoy doing and promoting. A lot of times it's different types of BOGOs or percentiles, kind of depending on their inventory.
Yeah, everybody loves that fall color, those oranges and those yellows and those really gorgeous things to kind of like remind us, hey, fall's here.
It is fall.
And you have pumpkins coming soon too.
Pumpkins coming in, and pansies. Might also mention, we've had the produce, for the summer, the Colorado peaches. We're in the last week of Colorado peaches, and as the harvest moves on further north, we'll come in with the Idaho peaches. Still have some customers that are looking for those, literally buying by the case for freezing and stuff like that.
Everybody loves a good Colorado or Idaho peach, right? I know I do.
Oh, they're amazing.
So what kind of pumpkins can we expect coming in?
One thing that we do that hardly you'll see anywhere, we refer to them as funkies. And it's just the funny, gaudy, flat stackables and things like that. We do a tremendous amount of what, like I said, refer to as that funky pumpkin, and of course the little miniatures. But there's just so much that you can do with decorations and things like that that are just amazing.
Yeah, I remember last year you did treat us really well. You had a very wide selection. Like you said, you had the minis, you have like the carvables, there's the stackables, great for your front porch,
the stackables
things like
are so much fun. And of course then we'll have the straw bales, both the standard size and the little miniatures, and corn shocks. So just a lot of things to really make your front and your back patio look stunning.
Yeah, everybody loves decorating for fall. I know I do. So Ben, where can people find out more information about Stutzman's Greenhouse?
Always, you can go to stutzmans.com or go to questions@stutzmans.com, and that if you have a question on anything, it goes directly to Jason, who does the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show on Saturdays, and he's amazing.
He is.
He is amazing.
Great. You're both of you, all three of you, and Molly too.
Oh, we love
You're all
it.
pretty amazing. Well, thank you so much, Ben, again for having us here today, and happy fall.
Oh, bring it on.
Let's bring it on. We'll have a whole lot more on Good Day Kansas right after this.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
As the days get shorter and the nights start to cool, it's still Stutzman season. Hi, this is Ben Miller. We're excited to see the fall season approaching and the chance to get the sweats out of the closet. Let us help you make the transition to the beauty of fall on your deck, patios, and porches with straw bales, miniature, funky, and traditional pumpkins. Stutzman's has awesome mums in assorted fall colors starting at $4.99. We love fall and invite you to the Stutzman's Garden Center nearest you. Find out more at stutzmans.com or on Facebook.
At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green with us.